Hello my friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you a power hour clean with me. It's going to be a really relaxing motivational video. I don't have a ton of stuff to clean up, but as I've been telling you guys in my last couple of videos, we did have company for the week, and on the day that I filmed this was the day that they actually left. And what I tried to do was pretty much pick up the entire time that they were here. That way it wasn't going to be really piled up on top of me and be a whole bunch of stuff for me to do. This day was a Sunday, so I wanted to just go ahead and take a little bit of time this afternoon and do a little bit of cleaning, get it all picked up. That way I can go to bed and feel good about it. But I'm just going to go ahead and jump right on into this. I wanted to start by getting some laundry into the washing machine. Now this is probably going to take me longer than an hour because I had a few loads to do, but I wanted to go ahead and get this started in here. And then all I'm really going to be tackling is the living room, the kitchen, and my bathroom. I really needed to get these floors in the kitchen done, and I decided to go ahead and steam mop those, and I'll get on more with that in just a few minutes. But like I said, I wanted to get this laundry done, and then I'm going to start here in the kitchen by just getting my dishwasher unloaded and reloaded. But again, as you can see, it really wasn't that bad. And sometimes I feel bad when I do these videos because I don't have small kids anymore, so I don't have a ton of messes through the house. But you guys know I've always said this is a channel of realistic cleaning, and I don't hide anything from you guys. Now that's not to say that I don't have huge messes in my house a lot of times, but I do try to pick up during the week so that it's not really that bad. But that is the great thing about today's video, because this is a collaboration with one of my good friends here on YouTube, and I'm going to go ahead and let her introduce herself here. Her name is Jessica, and if you've not seen her channel, you're going to love her, but here she is to introduce herself now.
Hi, I'm Jessica, and I'm so excited to be here today in collaboration with Mandy. If I have not met you before here on YouTube, my channel is Jessica Tyler. I'm married to Jason. Together we have 3 boys. Aiden is 8, Luke is 6, Jack is 2. We live in Central Arkansas. On my channel, I make videos on cleaning motivation, motherhood, and vlogs. I would love for you to come over and watch my videos after you're finished watching Mandy's video. And if you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really love to have you part of my YouTube family. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.
I would really love for you to go and check out Jessica's video as soon as you get done watching mine today. All of her information is going to be in my description box below. She is so sweet and motivating, uplifting, and down to earth. I just can't say enough good things about her. And she has the cutest little boys too. And also, if you're coming from Jessica's channel, welcome. My name is Mandy, and I'm so glad that you're here today. I would love for you to go ahead and click that subscribe button if you enjoy this channel, and let me know down in the comments if you are coming from Jessica's channel. That way I can come and say hello to you personally. So right now I'm going to go ahead and try out this pink stuff, the Miracle Cleaning Paste. I told you guys about it in one of my last couple of videos. I've not had the chance to try it, so I'm going to try it on my stovetop right now. And it's just a cleaning paste, and you just kind of work it in with a soft wet cloth. And I've got just a couple little of burn spots here on top, and it smells absolutely amazing. I got this off of Amazon. If you're interested, it will be in my Amazon store linked under the cleaning products. I ended up getting the paste as well as the multi-purpose spray, and I'm absolutely loving it so far. The only thing I've tried it on, honestly though, is my stove and just like my countertops, but there are a couple other places in my house that I'm going to try this out on, and I'll definitely let you know what I think.
Find it hard to read you. You never say what's on your mind, yeah. I'm going crazy all over you. Just for a second, can you try? Every time you've been calling, saying this is what I want, then you ghost for a week and leave me hanging all alone. Push me back, pull me in, and the other way around. Pull me in, push me back. What do you want
So I was highly impressed with the cleaning paste. It really did the job on the stovetop, and I'm super excited to try it out on the other things that I wanted to tackle throughout the house with it. That stuff will get off any stain or any scuff marks, anything like that. I really suggest that you guys go and look it up. Look at some other videos on it. You can clean your shoes with it, your pots and pans, anything you can imagine, that stuff will clean. And again, it is a little bit pricey, but if it really does everything that it says it does, then I'm all about it. But now I'm just going to go ahead and move on in to the living room, get everything just kind of picked up, and I just took my duster in and went over all of the furniture. Again, I'm not doing like a really deep clean with furniture polish or anything like that. I just wanted to get all of the rooms really presentable and just your basic clean. I didn't want to spend a whole lot of time doing this today because I was just exhausted, to be honest with you. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of this stuff taken care of in here, and then go ahead and vacuum the living room as well as the kitchen, and then I'll get started on the steam cleaning. Now, a lot of people have asked me, when I do that, a lot of times I don't move my rugs in the kitchen, and if I'm not going to be doing a deep clean, I'm not going to take everything up and do just like a full-on mop. Most of the time I will wait until the weekend to do all of that stuff, but that steam cleaner really does get everything so clean and so nice. I have started to really enjoy using that, honestly, more than mopping itself.
Dry your eyes, I'm not even worried, but I can't hear the silence you describe. Don't be ashamed, we can always leave this place and go where no one knows our names. Pack your bags, we never needed their permission to believe in ourselves. So come with me, we could spend the weekend doing everything they said we'd never do. In their universe, we're just causing trouble, but nothing can hurt us in our bubble. For better or worse, in an uphill struggle, no regrets and windows down. Down, down. Dry your eyes, forget about the others, let's escape the silence together. Just say the word. I don't know when we'll get there, but we're still young. In their universe, we're just causing trouble, but nothing can hurt us in our bubble. For better or worse, in an uphill struggle, no regrets and windows down. Down, down, down.
So I just wanted to hop on and quickly say that I hope this video is giving you some sort of motivation to do something at your house today. I know that honestly, sometimes I don't feel like doing anything at all, whether I'm just tired from work or if I'm just not like in the right mental space to even want to do anything. I have mentioned before that I do get really bad anxiety sometimes, and it's not really depression, I don't think, but sometimes I just want to lay on the couch in my pajamas, not talk to anybody, watch my true crime documentaries or Netflix and just chill. And I don't want to get up and I don't want to clean. And I don't think that there's not one person in the world that doesn't feel like that sometimes. And that is okay. So maybe sometimes if you can just take an hour and say, okay, I'm just going to go ahead and get done anything that I can get done in this 1 hour just to make you feel better about yourself, then that is perfectly fine too. And I hope that in some way that when you come to my channel, you can feel that and get that motivation and know that I'm right here with you. I'm always here to support you guys, just like you are always here to support me. And I cannot tell you enough how much I truly and honestly appreciate that. But I'm going to go ahead now that I have finished doing the floor and Bodhi has walked all over it. He's such a sweetheart. I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down my bathroom. Again, we did have other people using this bathroom over the weekend and it really didn't get that bad, but I do know that I need to do a really good deep cleaning because there were like 4 other girls in here doing their hair and there's hair all over the place. So that is another video and you're not going to want to miss that. So make sure you're subscribed with your notification bell on when that one comes out.
Maybe it's 'cause we're young, got time and we're wasted, got no plans for the night. I love how you look at me, feeling low, nothing to lose. Can we say it tonight? 'Cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. So I keep pushing rewind, hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time. But don't you wanna do it all again? Start on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. We were on top of the world, had time that we wasted. We were young and so dumb. I knew that you were the one, played our songs all the time.
All right, y'all, my hour is up and I got everything done that I set out to do and my house feels so much better and nicer. But I wanted to say thank you again so much for coming by to watch this quick motivational cleaning video. Don't forget to go and watch Jessica's video as soon as you get done here. And as always, I love and appreciate you and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Can we say it tonight? 'Cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't come back. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again.